Hi everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to always show scroll bars in Windows 11. If you have used Windows 11 for a few days, you might have noticed that scroll bars automatically hide when they're not in use. You may feel uncomfortable scrolling when it is not always visible. However, Microsoft has provided an option to show always or hide scroll bars when not in use on your screen. Here is how to do it. How to always show scroll bars in Windows 11? To make the Windows 11 scroll bars always visible, first, open Windows 11 Settings by pressing Windows +I keys on the keyboard. Alternatively, right-click on the Start button and select Settings in the menu. You can also open Windows 11 Settings by clicking on the Start button and typing Settings, and clicking the Settings option in the search results. In the Settings window, click on the Accessibility category from the left sidebar, and then on the right side pane, select the Visual Effects tab. In Visual Effects settings, turn the toggle switch to the on position next to the Always Show Scroll Bars option. That's it. Now, you'll always see scroll bars in your Windows 11 unless an app handles its scroll bars independently. Let me know how this video is. Don't forget to like, share, or comment on this video. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel Garip Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.